Hey everyone, just showing you how to submit your work. So I thought it'd be easier just to explain on a video. So go to classwork and don't know why that's open. Oh, anyway, don't know why that is open. There we go, just minimize that. Okay, so under your statistics project, you've got your data, details about your project, your Piktochart instructions, and then a sample report. Just with the, just going to quickly go over the project just to make sure you have covered everything. We've gone through this quite a bit in class, but there's a lot of information to take in. So the rubric is there. All right, so it's probably a good idea before you submit to make sure you've covered everything. All right, you can probably judge what you're going to get based on this rubric. So if you want to get a high mark, just have a look at what you need to do to get a high. Your infographic is just one infographic. I don't want multiple ones, just the one. All right, and it should be quite visual. You need to have a range of charts, and they have to be charts that actually work for the information you have. So I've zoomed in on one here and you can see the short summary that she's got. An example of a report. Okay, so this one here is not as detailed as the other example I've got. Okay, it shows your introduction and your summary for your report, but so does the other one. So let's have a look at the other one. So sample report. Now what I've done with this one is I've just highlighted in yellow what will change for you. Okay, so obviously there's not 24 students didn't do it, 18 did, and I think a class of 22. And we had 12 questions. All right, but you should know that by now. So you've just got a brief introduction. Each table has its own introduction, all right, which we've covered in detail. Your frequency tables should already be done by now. Okay, just remember you have a, I wonder if I can highlight that, you should have a label for your table and make sure your tables are labeled correctly. So we don't have 7 table 1s. All right, so that document is there for you to refer to. And then there's a summary at the end. And your summary just basically says what Miss Average is like and how you compare to Miss Average. So are you like Miss Average or are you different to Miss Average? And in what respect are you the same and how are you different? All right, so uploading your work. So your report needs to go here. All right, so it's a blank document. So if you've done it anywhere else, you can just copy and paste it into here. All right, so it automatically has a page for you, and so I'd like you to upload it to here. I understand some of you have put it separately. It's great. You need to upload it all together here. All right, so that's your report. As for your infographic, there are 2 ways you can do it. You can download the PDF and then upload it onto Google Classroom, or you can just share the link to me. So you'll need to go to view assignment to submit your work. If you're just submitting the link, all right, you can just put the link on the report, or you can submit it on a separate Word doc, Google Doc. All right, so instructions for downloading and sharing. So just before we do that, remember there's instructions there on how to use Piktochart, but downloading and sharing information on Piktochart. Okay, so once you're finished, you need to click download. Step number 2, save as a PNG image, normal quality, and then you want to download it as a PNG file. All right, so if you download it, you can submit that, all right, the downloaded version, or you can share it as an infographic. Share the infographic with a link. So you can go to share, make sure it's public, not private, and then copy the link, and then I will go directly to it. All right, so please make sure, whichever way you do it, that you follow the instructions and submit it on Google Classroom. No emailing it, because I get so many emails per day and I might lose it amongst my emails. So it's just easier if everything is submitted on Google Classroom. All right, so Miss Average report, and you can put your infographic in here, or if there's a link, just make sure your link is on your report, or if you just want to put it on a separate Google Doc, that's fine. All right, so finish off, make sure you finish off your infographic and your report. It is due on Thursday. Okay, so yeah, I won't be correcting it until Friday. So you can use, even though we don't have class on Thursday, you might need to finish it during lunchtime or after school, but Friday, I want to see them all uploaded. So they have to be uploaded on the Thursday. All right, girls, bye.